Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the Korean spicy dipping sauce or Ssamjang. This dipping sauce is very great if you have Korean barbecue at your house. So now for ingredients, let's get down. So for ingredients, you will need about 4 tablespoons of doenjang and 2 tablespoons of gochujang. So doenjang is Korean soybean paste, and then the gochujang is Korean chili paste. So now, if you don't like spicy, you can reduce the amount of gochujang to 1 tablespoon. And after that, you will need about 2 cloves to 3 cloves of minced garlic, green onion, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame seed, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sesame oil, and then about 1 tablespoon of honey. Now we're gonna mix all of this up. Alright guys, so after you mix it evenly, you just transfer it to a little bowl for the dipping sauce. And then for me, usually I garnish with the green onion. So there you guys, our Korean dipping sauce is very great for Korean barbecue. Mostly samgyeopsal, delicious. So that's it for our today's video guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.